Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, well, I'll let you go.
Dude, they gotta have more art too.
What?
You gotta have more art.
Do I? Maybe.
Like Devin's got more art. Like Devin do.
Oh, are you serious?
Sorry, I wasn't better than myself.
More art.
I'll have to come over sometime and look at it.
I actually got the flash on it.
See it.
Yeah, and then you got a nice little vacuum on there.
God,
It's right by you here. Yeah, it is.
I got it.
So you're actually gonna ride this thing all the way from here, right?
Yep.
That's the plan.
So we need to videotape the journey?
Yeah, if you bet.
Look at that piece of grass.
Well, you're gonna have to get him pulling out the driveway tomorrow, Devin.
What time are you gonna be leaving?
I'm gonna come here about 7.
Dude, I gotta get up early.
So do I.
You frickin' tards.
This is the only reason I'm getting up early. I'm gonna follow his butt to school. On a riding scooter tractor.
Wow.
Dude, I'll play some International Harvester on my truck.
But it's not an international harvester.